Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to change the power button action when on battery or plugged in using the Registry Editor, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command REGEDIT and hit enter to open the Registry Editor window. Now go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft. After Microsoft, create a new key with the name power. Right click on Microsoft, select new key, name it power and hit enter. Then create another key named power settings under power. Right click on power, new key, power settings and hit enter. Then we will create this one last key. This is a number and you will have to copy it from the article itself. Right click on power settings, new key and paste it here. Hit enter. In the right pane, you will create two dword 32-bit entries. The first one is AC settings index. Right click in the open space, new dword 32-bit entry and paste it here. Hit enter. The next one is DC settings index. Right click, copy. Right click, new dword 32-bit value and paste it here. After this, you can change the option for the on battery or plugged in modes. The AC setting is for the plugged in modes because you're getting power from AC, and the DC setting is for the battery mode because battery gives power supply in DC. So when we double click on either of these settings, the value data is 0. To put these settings to sleep, change it to 1. To keep it at hibernate, change it to 2, and to change it to shutdown, you have to simply use the value 3. After this, click on OK to save the settings and you are done. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.